Hi everyone, Marianne Zaki here. As you can see, I've moved into my home office and I just wanted to say thank you. It's been about a month since I just decided to go out on my own, invest time and energy into myself and see where it takes me. And I wanted to say thank you. One, to the people who just gave me words of encouragement. Two, to the people who have their own solo practices who said, you can do it. Let me show you how. I want to give you my time and resources and help you learn how to do this. Three, to the people who said, hey, why don't you work for our firm? I mean, I think the coolest thing that I've learned in this process is often I felt stuck. I felt if I leave this opportunity, I might as well, call my career over. But I've just seen that that's totally not true. And I really believe that fear is a liar, and often it can scare us into not taking new opportunities or thinking outside the box. And so for anybody who's watching this who feels like you're stuck, of course, I haven't, taken on cases yet. And, you could take what I say with a grain of salt, but I do feel confident that opportunities are out there. People need good lawyers. People need good people as lawyers. And I just am really excited about the future. So to the extent that you've offered a word of encouragement or support, I just really appreciate it. Another thing I want to mention is obviously, I posted what I posted a few days ago. And of course, it's scary, right? You're scared to speak up about your experience. Number one, you believe that there will be people, of course, who will say, you're just complaining, you weren't strong enough. It was you, not the firms or the legal industry. You're just trying to point the finger at whoever you can. And I'm okay with that. I've heard that before. I think I was confident to walk away because I know I'm smart. I know I'm capable. I know the type of work that I was doing. I know the type of evaluations I was getting, which were overwhelmingly great. So I'm confident in that. So the people who want to say anything different, it's fine with me. It doesn't hurt, to be honest. One thing, if you guys are lawyers watching this, especially if you, I was going to say we're in big law, but really any firm. I mean, you got to have skin of steel. I don't think I'm at that point yet, but my skin is pretty strong. So all that is to say, if you are one of those people that commented words of support or encouragement, just know that I appreciate that. Oftentimes when you're in a situation and you feel like I must be losing my mind or I must be irrational or thinking through this the wrong way, I think the power in having people around you see it the same exact way that you see it is incredibly powerful and incredibly just comforting, if I can say that. It's hard to find the words, but it just makes you feel like you're not alone. And not only were there a lot of shares and comments, but there were more in my inbox. There were more from people who said, I experienced the same exact thing. I experienced the same thing at a small firm, a medium firm, a big size firm, a solo practice, as a paralegal. I mean, just in so many different shades and colors, which made me feel that that post was even more necessary because we're all sold law school as this way that you can inspire change and help people and motivate people. And oftentimes we get to those places and realize we're not even helping ourselves. So just hearing from you guys has been incredibly encouraging. And I do believe that creating change is within our hands. We've seen what things are like. We've seen what things, we think could be better or could be changed. And if we're not going to advocate for it, who will? So I'm calling on the American Bar Association and clients and firms, everyone really, let's think together and figure out how we can make this work. Because I, for one, am sick and tired of seeing things, law.com, Law 360. We care about diversity. We can't seem to figure out where the women are going or why people are dropping out. We know the answer. Okay, so let's take a close look in the mirror and figure out how we can make this industry better. So if you're with me, thank you for your support. If you're not, totally fine. I think there's enough people on the right side of this equation, and I think we can make some change. So all that is to say, I just wanted to say thank you. Take care.